both the conditions and amount are, will they return to court and community safety? Here, my client, who's being accused of DWI, wasn't driving that vehicle. So it was impossible for him to be driving that vehicle, Your Honor. So I ask you to take that into account as far as public safety goes. As far as this latest bond violation, it's the state's burden to prove that my client violated his bond. All we have right now is a report by Scram, but no one is here to testify on behalf of. Well, we can call that, Your Honor, but yeah, sure.
Judge, I spoke with the defense counsel today, and he said that he was not requesting to have anybody come here to testify to the Scram device.
We have Felicia that can be called up as a witness to testify as to what happened with and whether he tested positive or not, whether he's consuming alcohol.
Right.
It's also the state's burden to prove that he said that. So that's yeah.
Yes, Your Honor, we would call retrial services, Ms. Felicia Charles.
Okay, ma'am, would you please come up and raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Okay.
So you have first amended order, and then second, third amended pretrial supervisions, and then the fourth. So referencing the fourth amended order for pretrial supervision and bond conditions, I'm showing you if you recognize this. Yes. Can you tell us what this is and what are the conditions that are checked? These are.
Sorry, could you repeat what you just said?
Sorry, I said I don't know if she needs that. It was extra paperwork.
Okay, I just want it on the record.
Sorry.
That's all right.
Yes, these are pretrial bond conditions, and these are listed as appear in court every time the case is set on docket unless the judge waives appearance. No new law violations, install condition interlock within the vehicle, no driving without permission of the court, no drugs, no alcohol, and then to abstain. We do have a curfew of 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. and then a SRAM device to be installed. And so what we're showing you is what's been marked as State's Exhibit 1, and we'll tender this to defense for any objections.
No objections.
Admitted as one.
So in this case, regarding the SRAM device, can you tell us about that? Yes. So what exactly about that? What is that? What's the standard procedures I'm supposed to do? Yes, so a SRAM device is ordered that tracks the press.
Objection, Your Honor. The foundation, I believe the state is trying to ask her to testify as far as are you trying to establish her as like an expert on SRAM?
And then I was not trying to establish her as an expert, just from her experience, what the SRAM device is basically for, which she can testify to as a trial.
I'd ask that the court consider that as that testimony as a layperson, not as for the purposes of establishing expertise.
So I want to know whether there is a violation for alcohol consumption. Yeah. So, what day do we have any kind of hot blows? What's the amount? Do you have anything of that nature?
Yes, so the report should have been provided to the non-violation email as well of the graph. And I'm showing her now what's marked as State's exclusive. For the exact amounts and everything, I would need to look at the report that was provided in the email.
Okay. Please.
Have the graphs been printed, State? Or she's just proven? Yeah, just so we can all agree on